Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports.
This clean 1988 Honda GOLDWING with a MOTO TRIKE kit runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It has 54,960 miles on the clock. In addition to a valuable MOTO TRIKE kit, it's been upgraded with a K&N air filter, lower wind deflectors, highway footboards, driving lights, and a driver backrest. This classic touring bike comes powered by a 1520cc flat 6, putting 100 horsepower through a 5-speed transmission. Don't let the age of this bike fool you, they still hold their own with plenty of power, comfortable accommodations, and spacious storage, especially with the addition of the TRIKE kit. In stock form, it weighs in at 853 pounds and comes equipped with reverse, intercom, cruise control, and a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system. This vehicle has received our premium service in detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.